ask who'd ya? Her beat me wrong, somebody fooled ya. They never rip or cause me to panic or make me resort to my old time antics. Refuse to lose, I'm always winning, see y'all. Never duck you in a battle of freestyle. So hit the highway and just truck on. Sucker, ducker, you stuck on, now get the f on beat. You can't be under solo, I'm a solo, S-O-L-O. You gotta show and prove on the strength, cause ain't nobody hitting like Tyson. I'm going to limp, I'm the young son of no one, and rap like the man I mentioned. 2 lines back, never duck or weave, just believe I never run, cause I've been crowned the young son of no one.
Go to camp from the crib. I'm not only a fighter, I'm a poet, I'm a prophet, I'm the resurrector, I'm the savior of the boxing world. If it wasn't for me, the game would be dead.
Let me see you close your mouth and just keep it closed.
Well, you know that's impossible.
No.
Stop keeping me back, suckers are steadily tracing me, controls my goal and soul. It's how I'm living, see my step is kept, so let me rule the industry, the top of hip-hop, where rap is taking me. Promotional hype, yeah, that's why I wrote this. You claim I owe you this, so then promote this. Cut the station, my talent you're wasting. Front on this man, you must be basing. Tyson hits hard, the kid is hitting harder. I'm good at what I do, Pooh's my sparring partner, throwing cuts, stabs, hooks, jabs, bolos. It's not many, if any, who can throw those. Tyson is an adjective to describe the kid. Not many of you can do or done what I did. My game plan is splendid and ended in round 1. Yo, another KO for the young son of no one.
I'm young, I'm handsome, I'm fast, I'm pretty, and can't possibly be beat. And can't possibly be beat. It is true that I do a lot of talk, and everything I say I mean to back it up.
TYSON, let the lesson begin. Killing and willing, they can still get fresh and win. The beat is kinda hype and sweat, I'm soaking in. No joking, D, start joking them. Every fight is a fluke, that's how I'm taking them. You might damage a dome, but I'm breaking them. Just like Tyson, performance is flawless. Going around, beating you down, clown. The young son of no one means that I'm the son of none. The fight is over before I even throw one. My attitude is rude, so listen to every word of. Lose to another dude, that's unheard of. Don't call me a psycho, cause I didn't bite no beats and not beat, cause they're kinda like hype, yo. I'm back on the rise, are you surprised? I know you thought I'd run from now on. Call me the young son of no one.
What percentage of the fans do you feel will be coming to? What percentage of the fans do you feel will be What percentage of the fans do you feel will be coming to see him, and what percentage do you feel will be coming to see you?
Well, 100% will be coming to see me, but 99% will be coming to see me get beat.
Do you really feel that?
Because they think I talk too much. 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 But I got these.
And they represent your thinking.
These represent dynamite. There he is.
An unheard of thing.
He's young, he's handsome,
They know it.
he's a poet, a prophet, and many people believe he'll be the next heavyweight champion of the world. And many people believe he'll be the next heavyweight champion of the world.
Because they think I talk too much. Because they think I talk too much. Because they think I talk